Imagine a world where love and peace rule. In this world, everyone is happy, everyone is healthy, nutritious food and clean water are abundant, cooperation and unity have replaced competition and discord. All for one and one for all has replaced what's in it for me. Compassion and respect have replaced judgment and condemnation. In this world, we live by the golden rule. We treat others the way we want to be treated. In this world, loving our neighbors as much as we love ourselves comes naturally because we know that every single one of us is a valuable, equal, and cherished child of the universe. No, this is not a pipe dream. This is the reality we're headed for. We are in the middle of a spiritual revolution. Our current reality, which is largely grounded in materialism, greed, division, and fear, helped us forget who we are and who everyone else is. But this is changing because we are waking up. We now realize that our egocentric way of living has led to injustice, inequality, disrespect for each other and our planet, violence, war, and the misuse and abuse of power. This is a spiritual revolution because the only way out of this current reality nightmare is to make a shift to living a heart-centered or love-centered life. Our hearts are the home of our true divine selves because our hearts are one with the absolute pure love and intelligence of the universe. This infinite love is our superpower. And as spiritual avatars have told us for thousands of years, this will be our salvation. Humanity is on the precipice of deciding whether to stay in this fear-based, chaotic, cruel, and nonsensical reality, or to transition to a more loving, peaceful, kind, and harmonious world. The only way we can make the shift to a world where love and peace rule is to stop living in fear and start living in love. Why? Because living in fear keeps our current reality alive, and living in love will create the vibrational shift we need to break free and create heaven on earth. How do you do this? How do you stop living in fear? First, stop watching mainstream media and social media that cause you stress or anxiety, and unsubscribe from channels that sensationalize chaos and promote fear. Be aware of what's going on in the world, but do not go into fear mode. Fear lowers your vibration, and it keeps our current reality alive and well. Instead of taking the fear bait, take a deep breath and focus your breathing on the area of your heart. Heart-focused breathing shifts you out of your head and into your heart and creates heart-brain coherence. This reduces stress hormones in the body and triggers the release of life-affirming hormones and biochemicals that support health and well-being. Second, remind yourself that what is happening is temporary, and it is happening to help humanity evolve. Chaos is always the catalyst to change. Collectively, we are waking up to the realization that we need to work together to create a better world. We helped co-create the world we're in now, and it's up to all of us to co-create a harmonious and kind world where everyone is cherished and decisions are made for the good of all. Third, pray for peace and visualize the world you want to live in. See people living in harmony and helping each other. See everyone happy and healthy. See clean streams, rivers, and oceans. See nutrient-rich farmland and clean energy sources. See everyone contributing their unique gifts and talents to help others and uplift humanity. Feel how joyful it will be when there is peace on earth and shelter, clean water, and food for everyone. Try to do this daily, taking the time to visualize a better world while feeling how wonderful it will be will not only foster inner peace, it will instantly raise your vibration and the vibration of our planet. Third, heed the advice of Gandhi. Be the peace you want to see in the world and be kind and loving to everyone you encounter. Give people the benefit of the doubt and stop judging yourself and others. Find ways to let your talents and creativity bring beauty and harmony to the world. Start creating your own heaven on earth right now by doing more of the things that bring you joy. And finally, have faith in the divine plan. Your true divine self knows without a doubt that love and peace will prevail. Remember, when you start feeling fear or despair, connect with your heart and remember that you are one with the infinite love of the universe, and this love is your superpower. When you make the decision to live a love-centered life, nothing in the outer world can disturb your inner peace. It is important for all of us to focus on the new world we want to create. When we collectively shift our vision to create a better world, the universe conspires to help us create that beautiful reality. Stay in the love lane. Be the peace you want to see in the world, and have faith that love and peace will prevail. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, share it with somebody. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for everything you are doing to make the world a better place and to uplift humanity.